Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to get rank in Excel. So let's start this in Excel, and here you can see I have a student data, and here I'm going to calculate the rank as per the percentage. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the rank, and select the rank functions and select the first cells of this percentage. Use the comma and select the full column range. So I select here the full column range. After that, press the F4 to lock this range. Then bracket closed and enter. That's it. Drag this formula below the cell. I just drag this formula below the cell and see here the rank is calculated. So I've applied the filter on this data. Shift Control L to apply the filter and click on this arrow and filter some rank. So I select the first rank 1, 95% for the first rank. On second rank, I select 94 percentage, and third rank in 92, and the fourth one is 90. It means it's correctly calculated. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.